Hello guys, my name is Prabh Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality image submission backlink on Dropbox. So this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 94 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 94 and the spam score is 2%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 140.3 million traffic and the mostly traffic from USA, Japan, UK, Canada, Australia and another countries. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then you guys can create your backlink on this site. Okay. So now we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So now there is a get started button. You can click on this and there is you can scroll and you will see there is get basic. This is a free option and you guys will add your email address and there you guys can choose your password. I guess I have already created account, so let me log in it. So after that this is can send us a verification email. So profile creation process is very simple, so you guys can simply follow the same method and you guys will create your profile on this site and let me continue and once you guys can complete these things, then after that you can found that kind of interface. So there is no need to you guys can optimize your profile or any another things. So you guys will simply upload your profile picture. From there you can see there is a profile picture button, so you can upload your profile picture and if you wanting to you can optimize your brand name or anything you wanting to change, but there is no any another thing you guys will need to optimize. Okay, so once you guys can complete these things, so simply we can navigate on home page. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you can see there is a add or drop button. You can click on this, or either if you wanting to you can create your folder, you are able to create your folder. Okay, so simply we can click on this and from there you guys will select your file and suppose that if I wanting to create backlink, image submission backlink for this, so you will see our image is submitted. So let me skip these things and after that you will see if is there any option and how you guys will optimize your image name. So simply you can see edit, yeah, not yet. So I think might be this is take a couple of time to loading these any things. So in this website, what you guys are able to do, you guys are able to optimize your file name, either your image name. So whenever you guys are uploading your image, so make sure you guys will update your you guys will change your image file name, and then you guys will start uploading your images on this site. So this is a process for the image submission on Dropbox. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.